Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this Pigeon branded 3-liter stainless steel cooker. See here, this comes with the rubber gasket. This is the outer lid type, okay? The people who wants outer look or prefers outer look pressure cooker, this would be one of the good choice at the low budget. Use only on the low flame but better cooking, this is what it is mentioned. And coming to the stainless steel quality, it is looking decently good. And coming to this handles, personally this is my choice, okay, just okay, not that great build quality, but it depends upon the budget actually. Okay, this is like 1,000 rupees or something in the offline store, but I found somewhat similar match for this Pigeon stainless steel pressure cooker, which is of 3 liters, maybe slightly different model. On the online it is showing like 1300. Anyway, at the end of the video I'll be showing you that. See here, this comes with the safety valve and this comes with the induction bottom. That is one of the highlights of this or advantage of this Pigeon pressure cooker, so which saves a lot of energy, and this is fast cooking also. And stainless steel material, it is okay, decently good. It is compatible with gas and induction, that's the reason I want to show you the base. So, and no bulging at the bottom, you can say this is the flat. So if you want to sort, you need to think. Pigeon Inox stainless steel pressure cooker. Let us check the online details also. And one more time I'm repeating, this model which is on the online may slightly vary with the what I have shown you in the real time, okay. And capacity is 3 liters, model name is Inox, and height is 14 centimeters and the weight is 2.18 kilos. So if anyone are already using the stainless steel pressure cooker from Pigeon, please do comment your opinions, and thanks for watching.